How we doing today, guys? Welcome back to Rustic Rimfire 22. Alright, how we doing today, guys? Back out at the range. Got the Savage Mark II out. I'm going to do a little ammo testing. We got the Garmin out here so we can get some speeds on it. And lurking back in the corner, I have no idea where this came from. Because I almost refused to buy this. But this is a Federal Automatch. We're going to try that. Brand new box, actually. I'm kind of wondering if maybe my son might have left it there at the house. Somehow it found its way into my cabinet. But then we got some Aguila, a few other things out here. But yeah, we're going to try a little bit of everything today while we're here. It's a beautiful day. Kind of wishing now I'd have brought up the Model 75 and shot the Hilux Day at the Range Challenge for that scope giveaway. Because the wind's not too bad. The sun's out. It's cold. But this is probably about the calmest the wind's been in quite a while. So, but anyway, I do have a target set up down there. I do need to run down and start the downrange cam so we can get on the target there for you guys. But let me get a mag loaded up, get the camera started, and we'll do some shooting and see what happens here. All right, guys, we're back. Got two mags loaded up here with some Federal Automatch. I don't understand. I bought two more mags for this, and they only hold 9 rounds, where the factory one holds 10. As far as I know, these are supposed to be factory mags, but I can only put 9 in them, which I don't understand, but it is what it is. All right, well, let's get a couple rounds loaded up here. I'm getting tired of having to try to peel them out by hand. So, well, let's start there at the top left. Should be able to see the target there. $11.49. Wow. At least this stuff extracts, I guess, pretty good. We'll just do a few 5-round groups here. 11.41. The last one, not sure what the last one was. I forgot to look. So far we're averaging 11.38.6. Well, we're definitely stringing there to the right. Wow. 11.26. That one went high. 11.35. That's 5 shots right there. Well, that's not going to win no competitions. Let me take this eyepiece off there. It's bugging me. I don't like them things, them dust covers. They work great when you're storing them, but they seem like they're more in the way than anything when you try to do when you're trying to shoot. All right, let's go over to the next 5. $11.54. Ooh. 11.72. $11.22. $11.35. I think that's it for this mag. There's only 9 in it, so we're gonna have to put one more in there. There you see him just grabbing out of a big old box of what they call goodness. We're going to call freedom pills. Oh, get my glove back on. Whew. It is cold this morning. The sun's out. It's beautiful out. All except it's about 24 degrees. I think that one went over there to the right. I'm not sure where that one went exactly. All right, 1152.8 on that one. Let's do a 10 round group. See what happens. Oh, surprisingly enough, these are extracting fairly well. $1137.9, and that one didn't extract all the way. Oh, winter's gonna stay like this. We need to go back to summer. This is ridiculous. We went from, it was dropped down to the 60s and 70s, went back up to the 90s, and dropped back to the 60s, and the next thing I know, it was snowing. And it hasn't come out of the 20s and 30s. Well, I wish they had all would go like that one right there. That was a good shot. 1121. $1137. $1123. $1145. I don't know if these are minute a squirrel, maybe minute a rabbit. Man, I think we just put three together up there. Not really sure what to think about that. Ooh, there's a, well, I don't know if I call that a flyer, but it's a flyer. It almost went all the way to the target to the right. Wow, put four in the same spot. Not together, but at different times. Well, you know, if it stayed together up there in that top group there, where we got what, 4, 5, 6, 7, those top ones there, they'd stay in that 1.5 inch group right there. I'd be pretty happy. 1160. $1129. I think that was it. Yep. Well, that gives us a 14.3 standard deviation, which is pretty amazing, really. uh, and a 50.8 extreme spread, average of 1140.2. So, well, let's try something else here. Let's get some of this Aguila super extra hollow point 38 grain. We'll have to change the chronograph. Let me switch this around real quick, guys, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back here. Got some of the Aguila super hollow points loaded up. Give those a run. Got 9 in one mag and 10 in the other, so we'll have to add one to it again. But let's see if these things will extract this morning for me. We did reset the chronograph down to 38 grains. Ooh, way to the bottom. 1247.6. Boy, these things are hot. Uh, 1213. Wow, two side by side. 1234.5. Man, that ain't bad. 1225. Man, that's not a bad group for this thing. 1264. I'd take that hunting anyway. Well, let's see what the next group looks like. Let's go right to the right there. 1263.9. I'll keep creeping up. We're going to be at 1,300 feet per second here in a second. 1264.6. What happened here? Oh, got a shell jammed in there. Oh, it did pick up a round. All right. I didn't think it had picked up a new round. All right. Sorry about that. Okay, so we're at 1264.6. $12.22. 1256.8. Let's grab one more round here. This bald eagle setup with the shade tree adjustable top is quickly becoming my favorite for testing ammo. Makes a very good stable platform. Instead of my bipod. I like the bipod, but I can change stuff out a lot faster on this setup here. Just put it on that slide. All I gotta do is undo this one clamp, swap it out, swap out a rifle. Works pretty nice, stays nice and flat. So, all right, 1245. And that doesn't look terrible either. Isn't match grade by no means, but definitely good enough to go get some squirrels and maybe some rabbits. Make sure to pull that last shell out. All right, well, let's go over here and do a group of 10. See what happens. Still a little low. 1241.9. $12.14, and that one didn't extract. There it went. Back down to the bottom. 1236. $12.31, and failed to extract. Golly. It's too cold for this fail to extract. uh 1237.6. Oh, come on now. Guess I might as well just leave my glove off. Like I said, hopefully hopefully those new extractors will help that. $12.02.9. $12.54, and no extraction. $12.21.6. $12.08.8. $12.28. No extraction. Well, we centered that up a little bit, brought it back to the left. That wouldn't be too bad for a group of 10. That's probably 1.5 inches, 1.75. That isn't terrible, I guess, for Aguila in the Mark II. I'm gonna have to take this butt pad back off. I think I put it on there thinking it'd be give me a little more closer to me, but I don't think I like it very much. Might shorten that back up. But anyway, guys, let me know what you think about the Aguila and the Federal Automatch. But I think that's about all I got for today. So appreciate y'all stopping through, checking it out. Be safe out there. We'll see you on the range.